like this double side roll stunt car, and it can like flip because a lot, and then the sides spin.
Is this cool LED stunt car, and on the controller in the car it says Force 1.
Put it like this. Whoa, 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 whoa! It can be like breakdancing.
That's pretty cool.
That's what it's breakdancing. But guess what? My bot can do the helicopter breakdancing.
Okay, next day, we're ready to test out some of the capabilities.
What? Wait!
All right. Oh, that's the red one. Let's see what yours can do for us.
An enclosure for it. If it were to here and it would have spun, it would have destroyed it a lot better than it tried to when it hit the wall.
You have a different strategy for next time?
Yes. If we come across that challenge, I would definitely win.
Let's take it down. Whoa. There we go.
It's inverted.
It really wants to get the tornado going. Almost. The final challenge. Ready? And go. I think that's the point, isn't it? Oh, look at him go.
I think that's how we overrun. One person standing left on a horse.
I think that's it.
Defeated the kingdom of dragons and men.
These guys are definitely up to the challenge.
It can really knock down stuff because it's really fast.
Really destroyed this kingdom of dragons and men, and it was really fun.
Yeah. I think you guys did a number on it.
And I like the part at the end that there's this one like man on a horse standing left, and it was like they couldn't get it on one try, and then they got it.